Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Charles Schwab online security after suspicious activity, full guide step by step clearly. If you suspect suspicious activity on your Charles Schwab account, it's crucial to act quickly to restore your online security. First, log into your Charles Schwab account using a secure connection. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section. Look for the Security tab within the Account Settings menu. Click on the Change Password option. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before. Follow the prompts to confirm your new password. Next, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't done so already. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. After that, review your account activity for any unauthorized transactions. If you see anything suspicious, immediately report it to Schwab's customer support. You can do this by calling the customer service number provided on their website. Provide them with detailed information about the suspicious activity. Once reported, follow their guidance on any additional steps you may need to take. Choose answers that only you would know. If you have linked bank accounts or credit cards, review those as well for any unusual activity. Finally, monitor your account closely for the next few weeks to ensure your security. Regularly update your passwords and security settings as a best practice moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.